Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Snake with Hat token. Now this is a Solana meme coin. Ticker symbol is Sssss, which is 5 S's. And this token here was just announced as getting a very big central exchange listing coming soon. And this token is doing very well. It has a really big market cap. Really big 24-hour trading volume, just doing well all around here. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token has a market cap right now of $17.3 million. And that is also their fully diluted valuation. Just today, they have a 24-hour trading volume of $4.4 million. They have 14,552 transactions today in the past 24 hours. So still lots of trading, lots of action going on this token here. They have a liquidity pool of $631,000. And according to Dex Screener, 100% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. Token price is about 1.76 cents per token right now. And this token here, it was just announced we'll be getting a brand new central exchange listing. Starting, it doesn't have an exact date yet, but they just announced on Lbank's updates page, at Lbank's updates, it says upcoming new listing, Snake with Hat will be listed on Lbank soon. So if you stay tuned and keep an eye on their socials, they're going to give you the exact date and time when this token gets listed. So you can follow at Lbank updates there, or you can follow the Twitter in the corner of the screen right here for the Snake with Hat. And they'll tell you exactly when this listing date is, and their Twitter is at snake_with_hat. And so yeah, follow either one of those, and basically all you'd have to do is download Lbank from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or get an account on your PC, and then you would fund your account with USDT. Go into the trade section and search 5 S's, which is the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the token. You will have to wait till it gets listed, but if you want to get it today, maybe you don't want to use a central exchange, maybe Lbank's not available in your area, or maybe you just want to get it before it gets listed on Lbank, you can get the token right now off of Raydium by funding your Trust wallet or your Soulflare wallet, Phantom wallet, or MetaMask wallet with Sol. And you could download any one of those wallets from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. You would fund your account with Sol. Now, you could fund your account with Sol from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with Sol, go into the dApps, find Raydium, and then you would trade your Sol for this token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, which is snakewithhat.pro, or you can find it right in their pinned tweet right here on this Twitter. They're in the pinned tweet, they also have a link to their Telegram as well. It says, we are continuing the WIF legacy. Dogs and cats have had their time. It's time to make snakes cute again. And yeah, so basically their Twitter just joined in August 2024. They have 1,953 followers, blue verified checkmark, and 164 tweets so far. So if you go to their webpage, they have the snake. He's trying on all sorts of different hats. It says literally a snake with hat. We are continuing the legacy. Let's make snakes cute again. They do have a how to buy step-by-step on their webpage. In case you didn't understand how I explained it earlier, you can follow the steps. Now it says here exchanges, and there's 3 question marks. So far we know Lbank is one of them, but there's probably going to be 2 other big central exchange listings that pop up here soon. So phase 1 of their roadmap is set up the Telegram and the X account. They launched the token here, it says on pump.fun. Then they 200 Telegram members. Then we have the token launch, and then hit Raydium. Phase 2, update DEX screener and DEX tools. Launch the website, community building, content and brand creation, Twitter spaces and Ask Me Anythings, smaller listings and trendings, collabs. Phase 3, world domination, partnerships with WIF and CWIF. Then we have Tier 1 central exchange listings, mass adoption, and in real life events. The Snakeonomics is it says pump.fun fair launch, 1 billion total supply, LP locked forever, ownership renounced. Snake with Hat is a meme coin with no intrinsic value or expectation of financial return. There is no formal team or roadmap. The coin is completely useless and for entertainment purposes only. At the bottom of the page, they have the contract address along with links to their charts like DEX Screener, DEX Tools, also Raydium. They have a Twitter, Telegram, and they also have a Reddit you could follow on their webpage as well. Now their Telegram is at snake_with_hat, 3,633 members, 875 of them are online. You could join that Telegram to discuss the token with other community members, learn more that way. They have been promoting themselves with ads today on DEX Screener. Fairly new token, less than 2 weeks old. Came out 13 days, 1 hour ago on Raydium. Right now they have 1,394 pooled SOL on Raydium, which is equivalent to 17,921,000 pooled Snake with Hat tokens. And lastly, on DEX Screener, it says, or DEX Tools, it says they have 8,180 holders. They have a total supply of 999.97 million tokens, and that's also their circulating supply. They have a DEX score of 99 out of 99, community trust score of 100% out of 6 votes, and their quick intel security audit says contract verified, no honeypot, no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable, and no other risks. So I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.